Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against Fox 9 player. My opponent is Chinese professional player. I'm gonna handle black and my opponent is white. Okay, actually I have played with him yesterday as well. Yeah. Now this is a 15 seconds Boyomi game as usual. Okay, I will just invade here first. At this moment, I have two decisions. Actually, three: push, jump, knight move. This time, I wanna use knight move. Okay, fine. And I think white can play two space jump or invade. Okay. Oh, but seems this is his favorite, Joseki. Then I will use the mostly popular one. White has to Hane, and I will double Hane. Yeah. This is quite common. He will stretch and then cutting is also sente. Okay, stretch is also my benefit. Actually, now when I play here, seems this is popular. Yeah, I think the people prefer to play this knight move if I don't push here. Even I saw this move before. I think it's similar. I could push first. Fine, then I have to use Aji here later. If he push, I will just jump and then stretch and I will jump again. Oh, he just decided to answer there. Then, okay, answer here. I am waiting for the timing of getting in here. Okay, just defense. Then now I need to go to the big place. I guess maybe he will invade here. Then I will block this side, and when he pushes here, I will double Hane. Yeah, give up this and capture. Okay, now beginning is almost to finish. Right hand side and the upper side and left hand side. Yeah, we have to start somewhere. Yeah, this is also quite good move now. When I push, then he will just jump here. This time is okay. Now I will just approach and let him block. Then if he just approach, then of course I have to decide again. Yeah. Okay, that means now he preferred to throw this away. Okay. Wow, even doesn't think for saving this group? Really? Oh ho ho, even he's not thinking any seconds. Okay. Attach and just connect. So he's thinking that that position is good for him. Okay. Press this first. If he just jump, then I will answer there. After I press this group, I will return here. Yeah, now this was the shape. How he can take care of this group. Then can I even get in here? It's not really helping for me. Then okay. Okay, tidy this first. There still has Aji to invade here. I need to use that. If he Tanuki. Yeah, that's why he answered now. Then if I ask this, how are you gonna answer? It's important asking. Oh, okay, he decided to even answer here. Really? Attach here then. How is he gonna answer? When I don't think black can give up this. This is really important. White can give up this. This is very, very important now. Tanuki? Really? Okay, fine. Then just answer first. I can give him some here. Oh, he just 10. Okay, that means I think just now his reading was in trouble.
둘, 셋, 넷,
Am I right?
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Okay, then just accept. It's not gonna be bad for me. Here is very clean. He has to save here. Then I can
하나, 둘,
play
셋,
jump.
넷.
Just I have to judge between jump and Kusumi. I think everything was okay and
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
white shape is not good now. Oh, now I have to even judge between tiger's mouse and here. Okay, he decided there. Then
하나,
okay, this is vital point. He is gonna return here. However, yeah. Oh, it was my wrong guessing. Even he didn't return here. He doesn't really care here.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay, then need to kill here. Fine. And here has an even cutting point as well. I think he is thinking to surround here. Oh, the upper side is very clean. He just need to save this group.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Okay, stretch. Okay, fine. Then if I just capture by ladder, he wanna make even sente, and then he wanna capture my 2 stones, right? Understand. Okay, I accept everything.
하나, 둘, 셋.
Can you really capture this? If he cannot capture, then white is in danger. He really need to kill this group. Otherwise, okay, now what is my next move? Should I capture? Still capturing seems better. Okay, no.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
I can attack this group again. Still, I haven't done yet my attacking. And here, what about the result later if I take the capturing rates there? Yeah.
하나, 둘.
Yeah, okay, fine. Still, I think I will be not bad.
둘.
Just that fighting was a bit not good just now. But I can step back here. Oh, are you king of the active?
하나, 둘.
Are you really playing like that? Oh, really? I think isn't it overplay? Isn't it too much? Okay, just capture here. Then what can you do that? I don't think white can take care of this. And he has to... Yeah, I think he really just want to play fast. Okay, that's yours. I should accept. Okay, fine.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Atari. Somehow he has to save, but there is a weakness. I can wedge here anytime, so he has to care for that. Okay, now I just go out. I'm looking for the double honey here. Oh, now white shape is also not so great. He really need to be careful now.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
Okay, fine. Just continue. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Are you sure?
하나, 둘,
Are you
셋,
confident to win
넷,
this fighting?
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Then let's enjoy to have a call
하나,
starting from now.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
What about here? Their PB is a bit annoying for white as well.
둘, 셋, 넷,
I think he's
다섯,
waiting for that.
여섯, 일곱.
Yeah, he just defends the here. That means I think he will really thought that P was annoying just now.
둘,
Mm,
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
fine, I will return first. Yeah, probably you will go back to take care there. Then this PB is mine, right? And then I can go back to take care here.
하나, 둘,
Should I even exchange here?
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay, he used the mostly passive move. That means just now he felt that the Aju was not so clean. Okay, this is mine. Then I can return here after this. Yeah, in this area I lost a lot. That's why he's thinking that this is playable. Okay, now here is mine, right? Yeah. Still is okay.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Oh, this is yours. Okay. And here also there are many variation. Yeah, now
하나,
what about here?
셋,
This is Sente
넷,
and Hane here.
다섯,
This.
여섯,
Yeah, I have
일곱,
some Aji here.
여덟.
So he is really reading there.
하나, 둘, 셋,
You can
넷,
use this way.
다섯, 여섯,
It's
일곱.
really bad exchange in this area. So he will accept this bad exchange for that. Oh, fine.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Then I can ask this first. And then connect.
하나, 둘.
Here also
넷,
now the white is
다섯,
making less liberty by
여섯,
himself. So
일곱,
he will care about that.
여덟, 아홉.
Yeah, okay. He thought that that's the vital point. Then, what about here? Vital point as well. Now, can I just play here?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Okay, fine. Let me ask this first and press that group. And then I can
하나, 둘.
attach here. Saving this is not so hard, but just after this is difficult.
하나, 둘.
Okay, double honey. I need to kill this group. Yeah, even here is actually quite hard now. If I this one is Sente or not? This is not Sente. Okay, he wanna retrade again, so fine. Oh, Atari there. Okay, fine. Totally, he just wanna throw that away.
하나, 둘, 셋.
Okay, fine. That means here corner, he wanna give up the corner.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Ah, yeah, there had the Aji. He was caring about that Aji just now.
셋,
Then what about here?
다섯, 여섯, 일곱,
Okay.
여덟, 아홉.
Are you willing to throw that away or not? When I just capture, how are you gonna answer?
둘,
Okay, Atari first. I don't think he can give up here. Here is very big now. Oh, here probably annoying for black. No, annoying for white. Push and cut.
둘,
Push here, here.
넷,
He wanna give up this group.
여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay, fine. Then I can give up this. Then I can take all the corner.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
Fine, just capture. Okay, then it's clean. But here is Aji. Now white is in big trouble.
셋,
What about I push here? And even I have a PP. I have a just
일곱,
slide here.
여덟, 아홉,
Yeah. Now he's thinking that. Then what about push and cut? Huh?
하나, 둘,
Okay. I found
셋,
out the move. Push.
하나,
Yeah. Even I can capture
둘,
this group. Okay. I
셋,
think this is my
넷.
game. Cut. What? Oh, come on.
하나,
Okay. Oh, he resigned. Okay.
대구국
He wanna play the revenge. Okay, fine. This time I'm white. Let me change the. Yeah.